guys, today we're going to be doing a race car challenge, so I hope you like it. Let's just go over here. We're going to be doing the app Stock Cars, and I might do more than one laps, maybe, it depends. But yeah, and I want you guys to subscribe and leave a like, and then maybe I'll shout out you in my video sometime. So please subscribe, guys. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna start it, and I might be doing this one, maybe, or this. I think I'm gonna do this one. Actually, let's do this one. Let's race. Okay, guys, this is our first race. Sorry. Come on. Next week, or maybe like tomorrow or something, we're gonna be doing like a try not to laugh video. So yeah, stay tuned for that, like Sunday or anything. We might do a draw my life challenge if I want to. I have to decide on these videos, so yeah. Let's just cut this guy off because he's a savage. Okay, so we are apparently in third place out of 8. We're in the second lap already. Yeah, so I'm not that good at this race, but I'm good at the other races. But my car is based on the Army, so yeah. And I can show you that after this race. But here we go. We're almost into the 4th lap already. Yeah, these laps go quick. So yeah, let's just cut this guy off. No, don't get out of track. Okay, yes, okay, we're in first, guys. No, second, okay. It's okay. But that might be a problem, actually. At least we're in second. So if we get first, which I don't think that'll happen, the prize is $1,000. The second, $500. Third, $250, and then lower and lower and lower. And one time, my highest I gotten on this race was probably like 500, and there you go, guys. Okay, so see, we got 500 coins in the bank, and yeah, so we got a little bit of time left. So here's all the scores. Okay, let's go back. We don't need this ad, bruh. We don't need, okay. So, what was I gonna show you? Oh yeah, this. So this is our car. It's based on Army. And we can get a paint on it, but I don't really want to. I like the color blue, I just don't know why, but that is the way I like it. Army. I still have to do repairs, but that might be a problem. Anyways, so I know it's been a quick video, guys. I am gonna end this video out right now. It's only been like a 5-minute video, but I'm sorry, I have to. So I'm gonna leave this video to you guys. So if you like this app, please go and download it. It's Stock Cars, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because subscribing to me means everything to me. So and then if you subscribe, guys, remember I will shout out you in one of my videos. So hope you have fun watching this video. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.